Tonight, the family of Aliza Sherman is speaking out, saying they are deeply concerned after Sherman's accused killer posted a $2 million bond and walked out of jail without GPS monitoring or many other restrictions. And good evening. Lena is off tonight. See you, New Yorker joined us now in the studio with the tales of the release of Gregory Moore. See you. Good evening.
Good evening, Russ. For the first time, we're hearing from the Sherman family members who say they don't understand this decision. Now, I spoke with some legal experts who told me, yes, the conditions of Gregory Moore's release are, quote, highly unusual. And there was some surprise when he walked out of jail with almost no strings attached.
Are you cooperating?
Around 2:30 Thursday afternoon, Gregory Moore was released from jail at the Cuyahoga County Justice Center. Moore is accused of brutally killing Aliza Sherman back in 2013. Investigators say the Cleveland Clinic nurse was stabbed multiple times in broad daylight as she was on her way to meet with Moore, her divorce attorney. For years, the case went cold until police arrested Moore in May, and he was booked into jail on first-degree murder charges with a $2 million bond. His release today carried no requirements for GPS tracking or travel and no firearms restrictions. The only restriction Moore has, a no-contact order with the Sherman family. A statement to 3 News from the Sherman family reads in part, "We are deeply concerned by the court's decision to release an accused murderer, especially someone with a documented history of evading court obligations without advance notice, GPS monitoring, or house arrest." Cleveland State law professor Jonathan Whitmer-Rich is not affiliated with the case, but says he believes the judge set the bond high because the defendant would not be able to post it. He tells me Ohio judges are known to do this regularly.
The reason there aren't other restrictions on the defendant, I think, is that the judge assumed that by setting a $2 million bond, the defendant wouldn't be able to be released. If they have concerns about danger, they just jack up the bail amount to something really high. They pick a really big number, like $2 million. And that's, I think, what the judge did here, $2 million. That means the defendant's not going to get out. And that was set back at the end of May. But in this case, within about a month, the defendant put together whatever he put together, and as soon as you post your $2 million, you're out.
The Sherman family tells us the Cuyahoga County Prosecutor's Office has filed an emergency motion to, quote, rectify this situation. Now, Moore has pleaded not guilty and is set for a pretrial hearing on July 9th. Russ?
Okay, see you, New Yorker, here in the studio. Thank you.
Thank you.